this instructional video by Orkel Compactors. In this video, we will show you how to adjust the speed of your wrapping arms and wrapping table on your MC series compactor. Optimal overlap of wrapping film is about 50%. To achieve this, you may need to adjust the speed of the wrapper arms and wrap table belt. It is important to pay attention to this as you're operating your machine, as speeds will change as the hydraulic oil warms up. The ideal fast speed of the wrapper arms is 29 RPM and about 10 RPM on slow speed. The Orkel compactors are adjusted to this speed from the factory. If you don't have enough overlap, you need to adjust the wrap table belt to go faster. To do this, you need to adjust the bottom red knob as shown. This knob divides the oil flow between the wrapper arms and wrap table belt. Adjust the knob counterclockwise to allow more oil to the wrap table belt. The red knob at the top regulates the main oil supply for the wrapping unit. If the wrapper arms and wrap table do not get enough oil, you need to turn this knob clockwise to allow more oil to flow through. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our channel for more instructional videos on your Orkel compactor.